Hello mga kawamat! In this video lesson, we will discuss about inscribed angles and intercepted arcs. So first, what is inscribed angle? So when you say inscribed angle, is an angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contains chords of the circle. So the arc that lies in the interior of an inscribed angle and has endpoints on the angle is called the intercepted arc of the angle. So for example, we have this figure. So yung angle CDB, so angle CDB, so ito yung inscribed angle natin. At ang arc CB naman yung intercepted arc. So in this figure, the center of the circle is the interior of the angle, no? The center of the circle is in the interior of the angle. Another figure class, so meron tayong tatlong cases ng inscribed angle dito. So sa pangalawang figure, angle GEF, no, yung angle GEF, that is the inscribed angle. And then ito naman yung intercepted arc niya, yung arc GF or arc FG. So in this figure, so makikita natin that one side of the angle is the diameter of the circle. So makikita natin that one side of the angle is the diameter of the angle. Another is, okay, so tandaan natin in the figure number 2, angle GEF is the inscribed angle, and then yung arc GF is the the intercepted arc. And then remember that yung isang side ng angle natin dito is the diameter of this circle. Sa pangatlong figure natin, sa pangatlong case natin, angle XYZ is the inscribed angle, and then yung XZ is the intercepted arc. So dito naman, makikita natin na the center of the circle is in the exterior of the angle. So kabaliktaran nitong figure number 1 natin. So kung dito, yung center ng circle natin is the interior of the angles, in the interior of the angle. Dito sa pangatlong figure natin, the center of the circle is in the exterior of the angle. So meron tayong tatlong cases. Okay, ito yung mga iba't ibang theorems on inscribed angles. So first, if an angle is inscribed in a circle, then the measure of the angles equals 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. So like for example, meron tayong given na circle A. So yung inscribed angle natin dito ay yung CDB or BDC. So yung CB, so ang tawag natin sa CB or arc CB or arc BC, ang tawag natin dyan is the intercepted arc. And then, yung angle D or yung angle CDB, yung inscribed angle natin. So in the figure, angle CDB is an inscribed angle and arc CB is the intercepted arc. So ang sinasabi dito sa theorem number 1, that angle CDB is equal to 1/2 of the measure of arc CB. So for example, may given yung arc CB na 120. So yung arc CB is 120, then the measure of your angle CDB is equal to 60. So tatandaan natin class na yung inscribed angle ay laging ay kalahati nung intercepted arc niya. And then kapag ito naman yung given, i-multiply lang natin sa 2 para makuha natin yung sukat nito. Twice siya nung sukat nung yung measure ng inscribed angle. Okay? Next is, if two inscribed angles of a circle or congruent circle intercept congruent arc, then the angles are congruent. So, like for example, ito sa nakikita nyo, no? Angle EDB, so saan yan? Angle EDB. So ito. And then angle ECB intercepts arc EB. So meron lang silang isang arc, no? So kapag ganito class, since angle EDB and angle ECB intercept the same arc, the two angles are congruent. Okay? So ibig sabihin, itong yung measure ni angle EDB is equal sa measure ni angle ECB. So nangyayari lang yan kapag yung dalawang inscribed angle natin nag-intercept sa isang arc, sa isang arc dito. Nag-intercept sa isang arc. So, masasabi lang natin na equal yung dalawang angle kapag yung dalawang inscribed angle natin nag-intercept sa isang arc. So, angle FCD. So, ito, angle FCD and angle GBE intercepts FD and GE respectively. So, kapag yung sukat ni arc FD ay equal dito sa sukat ni arc GE, so they are congruent. Okay? And therefore, the angle FCD is congruent also to angle GBE. So again, magiging equal lang ang measure nitong dalawang angle natin, itong dalawang inscribed angle natin, kapag ang sukat ni FD and GE are equal. So, doon lang natin masasabi na they are equal. Okay? Another theorem, if an inscribed angle of a circle intercepts a semicircle, then the angle is a right angle. So again, if an inscribed angle of a circle intercepts a semicircle, then the angle is a right angle. So for example, in this figure, we have angle XYZ. So, yung yung inscribed angle natin na XYZ, nag-intercept dito sa, sa diameter XZ. So, therefore, yung angle XYZ natin is a right angle. Okay? So, makikita natin that angle XYZ intercepts arc CX, okay, or XZ. If arc ZX is a semicircle, then the angle XYZ is a right angle. For theorem number 4, if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angles are supplementary. So, kapag meron tayong quadrilateral sa loob ng circle nating class, kapag kukunin natin yung measure ng bawat angle, so kapag opposite angles, they are supplementary. So, ibig sabihin class, quadrilateral ABCD is inscribed in circle X. So, we can say that angle or the measure of angle BCD. So, ito yon. Plus the measure of angle DAB. So, itong dalawa, itong angle na to, saka itong angle na to, is equal to 180. So, they are supplementary. Next is angle ABC. So, ito. And then, plus the measure of angle CDE. Ito. So, kapag inad natin yung dalawa, that is equal to 180. So, tatandaan natin na kapag meron tayong quadrilateral sa loob ng circle, yung opposite angles nila are supplementary. Okay, let's have an exercises. State if its angle is an inscribed angle. If it is, name the angle and intercepted arc. So, for the first figure, so, ano ba siya? May inscribed angle ba? So, what is it? Letter A, B, C, or D? So, the answer is letter C. Inscribed angle, and the name of angle is angle RSQ. And then yung intercepted arc niya is arc RQ. Okay, next. Okay, based on the figure, what will be the answer? Letter A, B, C, or D? Yes, the correct answer is letter D. So, Ang name natin sa arc natin, that is, okay, so what will be the answer here? So dapat ang sagot pa dito is letter A. No, letter A dapat. Kasi wala sa circle yung ano natin. Right? So tingnan natin muna, check ko. Okay, again class. So for the next question, so inscribed angle po ba siya? Letter A ba? Letter B, C, or D? The answer is letter D. Why? Kasi class, pag sinabi nating inscribed angle, dapat yung vertex niya is on the circle. Hindi dapat dito sa center, no? Kasi kapag yung vertex natin nandito, so ibig sabihin hindi siya inscribed angle. So therefore, the answer is no. So in the figure below, arc CD and arc BE are diameters. So again, so yung arc CD daw natin and arc BE are diameters of circle A. So if the measure of arc BD is equal to 124, what was the measure of each of the following angles? So kunin natin yung measure ng mga angles. So, from angle 1 to 9. So, kapag ganito class, kapag sasagot kayo ng ganitong questions and then isang figure lang, ang daming yung hahanapin, ang gawin nyo muna, ilapat nyo muna yung given. So, yung measure daw ng arc BD natin is 124. So, bago natin sagutan to, kunin muna natin dito, tingin muna tayo sa figure. So, hindi natin agad makukuha si angle 1, no? Kapag ganito, kung ang given is 124, hindi mo agad siya makukuha. So, therefore, sagutan muna natin yung makukuha natin na given. Since yung arc BD ay intercepted arc nung angle, nung inscribed angle natin na BED, so, itong angle na to, so, inscribed angle yan. Then, ito yung intercepted arc niya, yung BD. So, therefore, ang sukat ni angle 8 ay kalahati ng 124. So, therefore, angle 8 is 62. The measure of angle 8 is 62. And then, another class, yung intercepted arc natin na BD ay yung intercepted arc nito, again, so yung inscribed angle natin na BCD, ito rin yung intercepted arc niya. Okay? So, again, yung angle BCD natin, ito rin yung intercepted arc niya. At saka yung angle BCD natin ay inscribed angle or yung angle 2 natin is inscribed angle. So, therefore, yung sukat ni angle 2 ay kalahati rin ni 124. So, therefore, that is 62. Ngayon, class, so hindi natin, wala na tayong possible na makuha pang ibang measure. So, apply natin yung concept ng semicircle. Since ang CD is diameter, so kapag may diameter tayo, ibig sabihin, hinati niya yung circle, natin into 2. So, alam natin na yung buong sukat ng circle is 360 degree. So, kapag hinati ng diameter, no, kapag meron tayong diameter, so ibig sabihin yung kalahati nito is 180. So, mula dito, kung since ito, yung CBD natin is a semicircle, so ibig sabihin, ang sukat nito ay 180. Since meron na tayong BD, may sukat tayong 124, so para makuha natin ang sukat nito, ang gagawin na lang natin, si 124, subtract natin from 180. And that is 180 minus 124. The answer is 56. Okay. Now, si CB is intercepted arc nung inscribed angle natin na angle 7. So, tingnan nyo, yung angle 7 natin is inscribed angle, tapos intercepted arc niya yung BC natin. So, therefore, si angle 7, ang measure nito ay kalahati ni 56. And that is 28. And after that class, no, after nito, Para makuha natin si angle 4, since central angle siya, again, central angle ay equal sa intercepted arc. So, therefore, yung angle 4 natin ay 56. And then, apply natin yung concept ng triangle. So, alam natin na ang buong sukat ng triangle is 180. Since yung dalawang angle, meron na tayong given, that is 62 and 56. So, para makuha natin si angle 3, add natin itong dalawa, tapos subtract natin from 180. So, 180 minus the sum of 62 and 56, that is 62. Okay. So, ibig sabihin yung angle 3 natin is 62. And then, yung angle 3 natin is inscribed angle. And then, ito yung intercepted arc niya, yung CE. So, kung inscribed angle yung angle 3 and then intercepted arc tong CE, therefore, ang sukat ng CE natin ay twice nung sukat ng angle 3. And that is 124. So, 124. Now, balikan ulit natin yung concept ng semicircle. So, therefore, kung 124 ito, yung sukat ni arc ED, that is also 56. Okay? So, bakit 124 si angle 5? Kasi central angle siya. Okay? Sabi ko kanina, based dun sa mga previous lesson natin, that yung measure ng central angle ay equal sa intercepted arc. And then, nakuha na natin yung ED natin, yung measure nito, yung intercepted arc natin na ED. So, therefore, ang inscribed angle natin na angle 1, half ng 56. So, that is 28. So, ano na lang ang kulang natin? So, yung angle 6, central angle, and then ito ay yung intercepted arc natin. So, si angle 6 ay 56. So, para makuha natin si angle 9, minus lang natin, no? Subtract natin from 180, o kaya since si 124 ay intercepted arc ni angle 9, so kalahati ni 124, that is 62. So ngayon, madali na lang natin kunin. So the measure of angle 1 is 28. Okay? The measure of angle 2 is 62. The measure of angle 3 is 62. The measure of angle 4 is 56. The measure of angle 5 is 124. The measure of angle 6 is 56. The measure of angle 7 is 28. Measure of angle 8 is 62. And last, the measure of angle 9 is 62. Another, we have, another given. If the measure of angle 1 is 26, so ito. What is the measure of each of the following arcs? So, may mga tanong tayo. Meron tayong 4 na arc. So, kung ang angle 1 daw natin is 26. Okay. So, ano ang magiging sukat ni arc CB? Saan yan? Ito. And then, arc EC. This one. And then, arc ED. And arc BD. So, unang-una natin makukuha yung arc ED class, no? Kasi class ay since angle 1 is inscribed angle, tapos intercepted arc niya itong ED, so therefore, ang sukat ni ED ay twice ng sukat ni angle 1. So therefore, ito ay 52. So after that, makukuha natin yung central angle natin. Okay? Since by the way, CD is diameter, so therefore ito ay semicircle. Tama? So therefore ito ay, what will be the answer of this, no? So 180 minus 52, so makukuha natin 128. And then si 128, makukuha natin yung measure ni angle 9. Tama? So the measure of angle 9 is, or for una, yung central angle muna natin na 128, pwede rin, no? Makuha natin yung 128 para makuha natin yung angle 7. So, add lang natin ang dalawa na to since nasa triangle na siya, nasa triangle tayo ngayon. So, add natin yung dalawa minus sa 180. So, 180 minus the sum of 26 and 128, the answer is 26. So, kung si angle 7 ay 26, and that is inscribed angle, so yung intercepted arc niya na BC or CB ay twice nung measure niya. So that is 52. And then semicircle to. So 180 minus 52, so ito ay 128. So therefore, the measure of arc CB is 52. The measure of arc EC is 128. The measure of arc ED is 52 and the measure of arc BD is 128. Next. So in circle A, we have, okay, this one, okay, the line CE, the line segment CE, and then meron tayong EB, this one, and then BD, okay, asan na yung BD natin? And CB, CB are all chords. So, which inscribed angle are congruent? Okay. Alin kaya sa dalawa ang congruent? So, alam natin kanina, nasabi sa theorem number, anong theorem yon? Number 2. If two inscribed angles of a circle intercept congruent arcs or in the same arc, then the angles are congruent. So, hanapin natin dito ang dalawang inscribed angle na nag-intercept sa isang arc lang. So, kitang-kita naman, no, ito, yung angle na to, saka yung angle na yan. Ito yung intercepted arc. So, therefore, angle ECB, okay, ECB, or pwede rin pala, no, okay, pwede rin ito, pwede rin yun. Angle ECB is congruent to angle EDB kasi nag-intercept sila sa isang arc. And then also, angle CBD is congruent to angle CED. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, congruent sila kasi nag-intercept sila sa isang arc. So, remember, if inscribed angles intercept the same arc, then the angles are congruent. So, another, if we have this one, so, same figure to, no? Same figure. So, kapag ang measure down ng angle BED natin, so, BED, so ito yung tinatanong, is 54. What is the measure of arc BD? Ito. And then, kapag yung CE natin, arc CE is 96, what is the measure of angle CBD? Okay. Angle CBD. So, isa-isahin natin. So, yung measure ng angle E natin or yung BED natin is 54. So, anong next natin makukuha? Ito, syempre. Of course. Kasi since ito ay inscribed angle, so yung sukat ni DB ay twice ng 54 and that is 108. So, therefore, yung sukat ni BD is 108. Next na kukunin natin is yung CE na given. Yung CE natin is 96. So, ang kukunin natin is angle CBD. Ito. Angle CBD. So, paano natin makuha yan? No? Paano natin makukuha? Okay. Since ito class, okay, since this one is the inscribed angle, no? So, paano natin makukuha ngayon to? Diba? Paano natin makukuha yung tinatanong na angle CBD? So, ito yung tinatanong. Okay? Paano natin makukuha yan ngayon? So, yes. Tama po. Una muna, kunin muna natin yung since itong angle B natin or yung angle CBE natin ay inscribed angle ng arc na to, so kalahati siya ng 96 and that is 48. And after that, so makukuha natin ito. Tama? So makukuha natin. So that will be Y48 kasi class CB, no, anong pa tinatanong dito? CBD? Yes, kasi ano naman sila. Pero class, pwedeng hindi nyo pa makuha. Ang gawin nyo lang class, kunin nyo tong angle na to para makuha nyo to. Tama? And then kapag nakuha nyo to, makukuha nyo tong ito. Kasi 360 minus, add nyo lang tong tatlo. No? Add nyo yung tatlo, minus sa 360. Kapag nakuha nyo to, so ito makukuha nyo na. At kalahati yan ng sukat nito. And that is 48. Next, we have This one. Okay, so angle CEEB and same figure to Klesa. So if the measure of CED natin, so kung is 5x plus 3, and the measure of DBC natin is 4x plus 10, find the value of x. Okay, so alam natin na yung CED, okay, ito CED, and then yung DBC natin are congruent. Bakit? Nag-intercept sila sa isang arc lang. So therefore, angle CED and angle DBC are congruent. So substitute lang natin, 5x plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 10. And then solve for x. So pagsamahin natin, okay, combine similar terms. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 10. Lipat si 3, 10 minus 3, and that is 5x minus 4x is equal to x, and 10 minus 3 is 7. So the value of x is 7. And find the value of the measure of angle CAD. So ito. So ang CED natin is 5x plus 3. So papalitan lang natin yung x natin ng 7. And that is 5 times 7 plus 3. The answer is 38. For letter C, find the measure of angle DBC. So si DBC, that is 4x plus 10. Ganun lang din. Substitute natin yung x natin, no? Papalitan natin yung x natin ng 7. So that is 4 times 7 plus 10. 28 plus 10, that is 38. So again, they are equal. And last, find the measure of arc CD. So arc CD, asaan yan? Ito, okay. So since alam natin na ang sukat nito nung CED natin is 38, so therefore, ang gagawin natin, that is inscribed angle, no? So, ang sukat ng CD ay twice ng sukat ng angle CED natin. Kung 38 yung sukat ng CED natin, so twice nga siya, so therefore times 2. So, 38 times 2, that is 76. And then, quadrilateral. Okay, so the last given, we have quadrilateral FBEC is inscribed in circle A. If the measure of angle BFC is equal to 75 and the measure of angle FCE is equal to 98, okay, BFC, ito yun na, 75, and the measure of FC is 98. So, what is the measure of angle CEB? So, yung angle CEB, no, CEB, ay opposite ng angle BFC natin. So, alam natin kanina, so, binanggit natin that yung theorem number 4, if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angles are supplementary. So, kapag inad daw natin yung dalawang opposite angles are supplementary. So, ibig sabihin, kapag inad natin yung dalawa, equal sa 180. Since hinahanap natin yung measure ng CEB, so substitute lang natin yung given ng BFC natin, that is the measure of angle BFC, and that is 75. So, para makuha ito, subtract lang natin sa 180. So, therefore, the measure of angle CEB is equal to 105. So, ibig sabihin ito ay 105 ito. So, kapag inad natin, 105 plus 75, that is 180. For letter B, we have angle FBE. What is the measure of angle FBE? So, yung angle FBE ay opposite angle ng angle FCE. So, kung ito ay 98, no, kahit hindi yun na ilagay ito, basta alam mo yung concept na kapag opposite angles, they are supplementary. So, therefore, 180 sila kapag inad. So, kung ito ay 98, i-minus na lang natin sa 180 si 98. So, that is 82. So, therefore, the measure of angle FBE is 82. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for more video tutorial. This is your guide in learning your math lesson, your Wow Math channel.